Hi love, welcome to a new day and a new video. So today we're going to be looking at the re sound. This is the re, okay? We're adding the 21 consonants to this to get sounds, okay? So let's dive right into it. So I have the first one, the bri. This is B-R-I, the bri. We have the cri. We have the dri, the free. Are we together? We move. So we have the gri, the G, we have the hri, the H, we have J, dri, K, kri, L, ri, ri, we have the M, ri, we have the N, ri, ri. So we have ri, mli, ri. Now remember, sometimes when you see a word, there's certain words that are going to begin with a particular letter, but you definitely will not find that particular letter being pronounced, what we call silent letters in English language. Okay, so remember that. Let's move on. So we have P, we have pre, we have the kri sound. Remember, we are working with the re sound. We have kri, and after that we have the R, the re sound. This is going to be a little bit longer because the R appeared twice. Okay, so we have the real sound, re sound. Okay, now we move to S. We have the shri sound, and to T we have the tri sound, and V we have the V, we have W, we have the re, and X we have the three, Y we have the re, and Z we have the zri. Okay, so let's go over it. We have bri, kri, dri, free, gri, hri, dri, kri, ri, mli, li, pri, kri, ri, sri, tri, vri, ri, sri, yri, zli. Remember, we are just working on sounds. For everyone that is in this family that has challenge with reading or writing or spelling a word, there are the main reason why we are doing these sounds. Okay, so remember, we are not actually saying these are right words. They are not totally three-letter words. They are just three-letter sounds. We combine three letters and we pronounce the sound that they organized for us. Okay, so if you look at this board, most of the sounds here, we are not familiar with that, but we are familiar with some. These ones I'm going to be circle. We often see words with the three sound. This is tri, triple, okay, triplet. We still have the bri, bring, brief, and we have kri, we have creep, scripture. Remember, all these sounds you'll be studying, I made mention of the fact that some of them could appear at the beginning of a word. You will still find them in the middle of a word and at the end of a word. Sometimes that sounds tend to change, and some of the time they remain the same, whether in the middle, at the beginning, or at the end. Their sound remain the same. Sometimes for some words they tend to change slightly, not totally. Okay, so let's continue. So I have tree, bri, kri. We still have dri because we have drip and the likes. We still have free, we have fried, we have friend. Okay, and we have gri, we have grip and the likes of them. So we still have pre here, prime, primary, and the likes of them. So this is what this is. Let's quickly see these words. All right, so we have bright, bright, bride, brick, 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 breach, 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 bright, bribe, bribe, brigade, 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 price, 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 crib, 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 cripple, 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 criteria, 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 private, 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 tribe, 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 trip, trip, trip. We have bride, bride, brick, brick, bridge, bridge, bribe, bribe, brigade, brigade, price, price, crib, crib, cripple, cripple, criteria, criteria, private, private, trip, tribe, trip, trip, drip, 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 drink, 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 price, 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 trick, 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 trimmer, 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 primary, 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 grip, 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 friend, 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 trigger, 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 print, 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 prime, prime, prime. We have drip, drip, drink, drink, price, 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 trick, trick, trimmer, trimmer, primary, primary, grip, grip, friend, friend, trigger, trigger, print, print, prime, prime, privilege, 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 cling, 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 fright, fright, scriber, scriber, lubricates, lubricates, matric, matric, priority, priority, scripts, scripts, strip, strip, strive, strive, strike, strike, grievous, grievous. We have privilege, privilege, cling, cling, fright, fright, scriber, scriber, lubricate, lubricate, matric, matric, priority, priority, script, script, strip, strip, strive, strive, strike, strike, grievous, grievous. How many did you get out of the whole? Tell me about it in the comment section. So far so good. How has it been? Today is actually the 30th day of this journey. We are about to round up. So tell me how it went with you. How has this journey impacted you? Let me know about it in the comment section because we're about to round up this journey. And I don't know, but I believe a lot of people on this channel have benefited on this journey. I believe because I have been seeing you guys comment, I've been reading your comments, and I'm glad you guys are really finding it interesting. I'm glad it's really helping some persons right here. So if you're just joining me, try watching our previous videos, day 1, 2, 3, 4 till date, so you can actually know how far we have come and what you have been missing. And you can actually follow up. That is one good thing I love about YouTube. You can find yourself right here anytime and still meet up with what is trending, what is going on, whatsoever that is happening. Okay, and that being said, thank you for stopping by today. If you're my returning subscriber, don't forget you're amazing. And if you're just joining me, you're so welcome to the family. Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Keep staying safe and bye for now.